These are something in Japan that I love, man. These machines kick ass. Drink dispensers everywhere. And here's my favourite drink of all. Ooh. I love it. They have all sorts of drinks here, man, and it's cool. Fanta Grape. Yummy. Ooh again. And then some other weird stuff. But these machines kick ass, and they're dirt cheap as well, and they're everywhere. Right, I recommend an ooh. Oohs are nice. Cool thing about these machines is they take notes too, he says.
Only 1,000 yen notes, nothing bigger.
Yeah. Oh, is it going here? Shit. There you go. 1,000 yen. And I have an ooh as well. I don't know whether that ooh or that ooh. Nah, I'll go with the one I'm used to. An 850 yen change. Oh, 500 yen coin. Have it. 850 yen change. 150 yen, probably equivalent to about 75p. Or less than that, so this will probably cost a quid back home. So yeah, it's good work.